Welcome to Drones Over Domes. Piercing Siberia's cobalt sky, the bell tower of the Tobolsk Kremlin rises over the Irtysh Bend, beacon of Russia's old frontier. Completed in 1799, its 75-meter spire replaced an earlier wooden sentinel, trading timber for gleaming white stone. No nails bind it, just hand-hewn limestone blocks, locked together to withstand the kingdom's harshest frosts. From dawn to dusk, a 19-bell carillon tolls across the taiga, once warning of fires, floods, and marauders. Beneath it, the snow-white Sophia-Assumption Cathedral anchors Siberia's only stone Kremlin, fortress, monastery, and palace in one. Exiled writers, tsars, and saints have all looked up at this tower. Its clock hands mark centuries of conquest and conversion. Even the tower itself bears a slight lean, a reminder that nothing in permafrost is ever truly still. Restored in the 21st century, fresh gilding glints like Arctic sunrise, while new bells revive the lost Siberian chime. Tobolsk's bell tower, watchful, weather-scarred, and eternal, echoing history above the frozen Irtysh.